But right outside of my balcony, if we walk out here, you can see the Matterhorn over there. So there it is. It's 7:45 in the morning, and this is June the 14th, 2022. That's part of the roof up there that you see. And I hear some helicopters. I see some buildings up there. Maybe that's where the gondola is going to take us up to those places. And we're going to do our hikes up at the top there, somewhere or other. It's a little chilly here in the shade, but I think once we get out in the sun, there's a couple more buildings up there. Hard to see here, but yeah. So there it is, right in back of me there. It's the Matterhorn. Okay, gotta get ready to go here. All right, bye-bye. Well, we're heading down to catch the gondola to go up somewhere up closer views of the Matterhorn, but I'll catch up with you later. Okay. Okay, we're on gondola 1 going up to the top, and I think do we have to get another gondola after this?
We don't on this trip, they do on the other one.
Okay, so I'm heading up here, and I'm in the middle here, so I'm not up by the window. All right, we're in the second gondola going up here. You can see we're right close to the rocks here. You can see up front in the windows. Right close to them here. And you can see outside. It's being very bright out there. Seeing back of me here too, from whence we came. Way down there somewhere. Okay, but we're almost getting to the top here. All right, gotta get ready here. Well, I just got off the gondola, and we're going to start our walking. And one gondola going down isn't working, so it might not be as much downhill as I thought. So whatever we walk, we have to come back to here to get back down. But the Matterhorn is on the other side of us, so you really can't see it from here. But our guide's checking out our route, so we're going to head on down. Okay, there's the Matterhorn.
We thought there was a lake we could get to and draw. That lift is not working, or the cable car is not working at the moment. So we can only do this and then turn around and take the lift back to Zermatt. So we can't go to the lake.
Okay.
I bought tickets, she said it was closed.
Ed Getley reporting to you from the Matterhorn back there. It's 9:30 in the morning, June the 14th, 2022. And it's brisk, but the sun is out, not too much wind, kind of nice here. We got a good crowd here, all my peeps over here, all my minions. They're all there, so okay, they're doing dances and frolicking here and whatnot. Off to a good start here. So I'll get in here too. So there we go. Yes, we're in here. All right. Remember, I'm one-man travel. We're traveling here. All right. There's Shadow Man here. There's a reflection in the water of the Matterhorn, which is right up there. So you got everything in there. You got the Matterhorn, the reflection, and Shadow Man. What more could you ask for there? Okay, Shadow Man's weaving. There you go. We're going to hike around here, and we're going to try to go up to this plateau up here. And maybe have my sandwich up there because I'm getting a little hungry now. So there it is, and like I said, this was we're about 9,700 feet. Temperature not bad. Sun is out, no wind. We're here early in the morning, so everything's good. But we're going to hike around the lake here. Okay, we got a little bridge we got to cross. Like I said, we're going up here and up there. So it's going to be a tough walk coming back for sure, but we got plenty of time, so no hurry here. There's our fearless leader down there. She's leading the way. Okay. Well, I'm on the trail going back down. Didn't make it all the way up to the top of that plateau, about part of the way just behind those rocks, but oxygen levels at 10,000 feet here, I was starting to feel it. So it was another couple more steep sections to get up over some more rocks. So I said, no, that was it. And they weren't, the other two folks weren't much in front of me anyhow. They just went over the rise and were coming back. So I stopped to have my sandwich, which perked me up a bit. Took my oxygen and pulse level readings, which are still good. So I didn't want them to get too low here, but it's going downhill, and then we have a pretty good steep uphill climb to get back to the gondola, which is going to take me a while. So just taking my leisurely old time here. All right, the man of leisure taking his leisurely old time here. Okie doke. Oh, I made it from all the way down there, all the way down here, and back up to here, and going back up to here. Still more to climb yet, almost at the top here. Okay, there's the town of Zermatt down there at the bottom. We have our cable car coming up, which we're going to take going back down. We did a little walk today, another, I don't know, 4 miles. I think Philip said something like that. I didn't go all the way over to the plateau, but almost all the way over. I marked my territory when I was over there, so it was good. Here's the cable car coming up. The Matterhorn Glacier Paradise in Zermatt, right down there at the bottom. That's where we stayed yesterday. Here it comes. Coming right up. We're going to take this coming back down. It's around noontime, June the 14th, 2022, here in Switzerland. And look, there's the cable car slowing down. So it's coming in for a docking. A little swishing and swaying there, but there it is. Okay, it's going to come right in here where we're all gonna hop on. We're heading back down now.
Dale, what's over on the right? Like it looks like you can see it.
I got him on the way up.
Ooh. There's a hang glider there. See the hang glider over there on the right? There's all kinds of things on the right. I mean,
This is a scary one here.
There's the baby.
right. Oh yeah. Almost in like a vertical dive here. So. There's the other one coming up. And my battery's holding up pretty good. My ears change here. That's right. Where eagles dare. This is like the scene out of it here.
We're gonna go up and fight?
No.
Are you gonna be Richard Burton, or are you gonna be Clint Eastwood?
I'll be Richard Burton.
Good.
Because he had the girl there.
Yeah, exactly. Yes,
Girl.
that's true. That is true. See the dam down there, the power dam?
Thank you very much. There's a couple.
Another little vertical dive here.
Hang on there. Paraglider.
I know, there's another one that goes that way.
You're right.
Gotta start applying the brakes pretty soon here. And we have arrived almost here. I can feel more oxygen coming in my lungs here now. So okay, we'll stop here. Well, we're walking in Zermatt. Just came down from the second gondola ride, and I had just put a new battery in, so we'll catch up with the other people here shortly. There's a little canal, whatever, running through there. Well, we're here at the Brown Cow in Zermatt, having a beer. Larger than I thought. It's a half a liter. I should have got the small one like that. And Chris is having a rum and tonic over there, so we're all Happy Campers here, and me too. And we already figured out where we're going, so it's downhill. So even if I'm like bouncing off the walls going down there, I should still make it then. So we'll see. But now to enjoy the beer.